Hello traders, we're back with one more setup. This time the pair is AUDNZD. So let's check the date and the time right now. So refresh it. Currently it is 10:18 a.m. Friday 10th of July 2026 in EST. Let's get back to the chart. This is 4-hour time frame and this was our entry candle. So we have entered long after closing this candle around 2046. Okay, so our exit will be this black line around 2135. So we are expecting maybe 90 pips in this trade, right? So 2135 minus 2046, whatever, I guess 90 pips, but we'll see how it goes. So I can exit manually if I want to. It all depends, but for now the take profit is this black line and entry was this blue candle here. So whenever the take profit is hit, I'll come back and record the take profit video. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with our take profit videos. So let's check the date and the time right here. Refresh it. Currently it is 6:55 p.m. Thursday 23rd of July 2026 in EST. So I'm not sure when did we enter this trade. Maybe 2 weeks ago. Where? I don't know. Maybe here, maybe here. Just go and check the date and the time in the beginning of the video. But it has been 2 weeks, I guess. And we are out. So we were out of this trade 12 hours ago. I was sleeping. And let me show you the trade. So we made 40 pips in this trade. Okay, so we had to wait 2 weeks, but we know this is gonna happen, so it's fine. We entered at 2046 and we were out at 2087, so 40 pips exactly. And there was swap and commission, everything for holding 2 weeks. Okay, anyway, so 40 pips, that's what we got in this trade and we are out. Anything else? I don't think so. Okay, subscribe, like, and share. And if you want these trades before they actually happen, or you want to enter and exit with me, then join this program, Swing Like a Pro. You will find the link somewhere below the video. Help yourself, get into the program, then only I can help you. If you don't help yourself, nobody else will. Take care.